Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0128 indicates a cooling system malfunction specifically related to the engine's temperature regulation. This issue is typically associated with the Engine Coolant Temperature (ECT) sensor or the thermostat, which are vital for monitoring and maintaining optimal engine temperature. The PGM-FI system, powertrain control module, fuel injection, uses inputs from the ECT sensors to regulate engine operations. When the module detects that the engine is not reaching the expected temperature within a certain time frame, it triggers the P0128 code. The problem can lead to performance degradation, fuel inefficiency, and increased emissions if not addressed promptly. Understanding the components involved and their functions will aid in diagnosing and rectifying this issue efficiently. The DTC P0128 signifies a malfunction in the cooling system, primarily affecting the engine coolant temperature, ECT sensors, and thermostat. The ECT sensors monitor the temperature of the engine coolant and provide essential data to the powertrain control module, PCM, for optimal performance. If the coolant does not reach the specified temperature efficiently, the PCM triggers the P0128 code. The thermostat acts as a gatekeeper, allowing coolant to flow through the engine and preventing overheating. These components are usually located near the engine block, making them accessible for inspection and testing. A thorough understanding of their roles helps in pinpointing faults leading to this DTC failure. Possible causes of the DTC P0128 include several factors that can affect the cooling system performance. A faulty engine coolant temperature, ECT sensor, may provide inaccurate readings to the PCM, misleading it into believing the engine is not reaching optimal temperature. Similarly, a malfunctioning thermostat can prevent coolant from circulating effectively, causing the engine temperature to remain too low. Wiring issues, including damaged wires or poor connections, can also hinder the performance of the ECT sensors, leading to erroneous readings. Identifying these potential causes is crucial for effective troubleshooting, ensuring that each component is thoroughly tested for functionality. Symptoms associated with DTC P0128 often manifest as poor engine performance and increased fuel consumption. When the engine fails to reach its optimal operating temperature, it may lead to inefficient combustion, negatively impacting fuel efficiency. The driver may also notice a lack of power during acceleration or erratic engine behavior, particularly in cold weather. Additionally, a persistent check engine light will illuminate the dashboard, alerting the driver to a malfunction in the vehicle's systems. Understanding the symptoms can aid drivers in recognizing the problem early and seeking timely repairs before further damage ensues. For the first troubleshooting step related to DTC P0128, start by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to access and clear any current DTCs present in the system. After clearing the DTC, check the fan control commands by ensuring the radiator fan control signals, both high and low, read off. If the current conditions match the specified threshold, proceed to the next step. If they do not, you must ensure the fan signals are off before advancing. Thoroughly performing this step ensures that the fan circuit is not activating erroneously, which could affect temperature management. The second troubleshooting step involves checking the radiator fan's operation to assess whether it's functioning correctly. Observe the radiator fan and verify if it continues to run when expected. If the radiator fan is running non-stop, it indicates a potential fault in the fan control system, leading to P0128. If the fan is not operational, you must move on to the next troubleshooting step to investigate its circuit. The primary role of the radiator fan is to draw air through the radiator while the engine is cooling down. and any malfunction here can contribute to poor engine cooling, thereby triggering DTC P0128. For the third step, examine the radiator fan circuit and the radiator fan relay thoroughly. Begin by inspecting the wiring and connections for any signs of damage, as this could affect power flow to the fan. If the inspection shows that the circuit and relay are functioning correctly, proceed to check for software updates for the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Sometimes, outdated software may lead to erroneous readings or malfunction indicators. If issues persist even after ensuring these components are operational, consider substituting a known good PCM to determine if that resolves the P0128 DTC. This step is essential to rule out any electronic control failures. The fourth step involves verifying the engine's coolant temperature through a systematic check of both ECT sensors. Begin by allowing the engine to cool down until the coolant temperature is at or below 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. Once cooled, utilize the HDS to note the values of both ECT sensor 1 and ECT sensor 2. After recording these values, start the engine and let it idle, closely monitoring the temperature increase in ECT sensor 1. The goal here is to observe if ECT sensor 2 registers a temperature change of 13 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius or more. Such data will reveal whether the thermostat needs testing or replacement. If no temperature change is observed, check for any loose connections or poor terminals affecting sensor readings. Once all troubleshooting steps for DTC P0128 have been completed, it is essential to verify that the issue has been resolved. Start by ensuring that all repairs made during troubleshooting have been efficient and that all components are functioning correctly. After these checks, perform a test drive under normal operating conditions to ensure there are no reoccurring symptoms or alerts. Monitoring the engine's performance during this drive is crucial to confirm that the cooling system is now operating as intended. Additionally, use the HDS to check if the DTC has been cleared successfully and does not reappear. This step solidifies that the cooling system is functioning properly and eliminates risk of future malfunctions. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0128, it is advisable to carry out regular checks on the cooling system. Periodic inspections of the engine coolant, ensuring it is at the correct level and in good condition, can help maintain optimal performance. Additionally, monitoring the performance of the engine coolant temperature, ECT sensors, is crucial. Any irregular readings should be investigated immediately to avoid premature thermostat failure or ineffective cooling. Replacing the thermostat every few years can also be considered part of preventative maintenance. Following these maintenance routines will ensure the engine operates at ideal temperatures and enhance vehicle longevity. In conclusion, DTC P0128, indicating a cooling system malfunction, can be effectively diagnosed and addressed by following a structured troubleshooting process. Understanding the roles of components such as ECT sensors and the thermostat is pivotal in diagnostics. Each step, from verifying fan operations to checking circuit integrity, provides a pathway to isolating the underlying issue. Failure to correct this code could result in performance decreases and increased emissions. Regular maintenance of the cooling system and proactive monitoring can prevent future occurrences of this DTC. Lastly, clear communication of any identified faults allows for efficient repair and restoration of proper vehicle function. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.